What if I told you the war being fought in Iran right now has been written in a book for thousands of years? We've all seen the headlines this week. The 2026 US and Israeli strikes on Tehran, the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, and the world on the brink of total collapse. But while the world looks at the news, a specific group of people is looking at the book, the Bible. They believe this isn't just a 21st century conflict. They believe it's the physical manifestation of a 2,000-year-old prophecy. And the most terrifying part, we've handed the keys to this apocalypse to an artificial intelligence.
Hi, I'm Ramesh. Welcome to Synapse Flow, where we connect the dots between AI, IoT, and the global stories that shape our world. Let's dive in.
It all starts with the Greater Israel theory. In the book of Genesis, a covenant was made for land stretching from the Nile to the Euphrates. To some, this isn't just history, it's a military objective. As we saw in the recent Al Jazeera reports, high-level officials are once again talking about these biblical borders as a divine mandate. They believe Jesus won't return until this land is prepared. But to prepare a land that is currently home to millions, you need more than just faith. You need a way to clear the path. This is where our 2026 reality gets dark. Meet the Gospel, Hapsora, an AI system that has turned the battlefield into a mass assassination factory. In previous wars, humans took weeks to pick targets. Today, this AI generates 100 targets a day. It doesn't feel pity and it doesn't pray. It just optimizes. The twist is that this AI is being used as the automated bulldozer for the Greater Israel prophecy. If the goal is to expand, the AI is the tool making that expansion physically possible at a scale humans could never achieve alone. Is the machine fulfilling the prophecy, or are we just using the machine to force the prophecy to happen? Look at Ezekiel 38. It prophesies that Persia, modern-day Iran, will lead an alliance against Israel in the latter years. With the US and Israel now fully engaged in a hot war with Iran as of March 2026, many believe we are exactly where the Bible said we would be. But here's the catch. We aren't just fighting with tanks. We are fighting with Project Nimbus and Claude, AI models that are now being used to initiate strikes and manage logistics. We all know that using religion to justify this level of violence is a vile distortion of the message of peace. But as the AI keeps picking targets and the borders keep shifting, we have to ask who is actually in control. Are we following a divine plan, or have we built a machine that is programmed to lead us into a war we can't stop? The Bible gave us the warning. AI is giving us the weapon. The only question left is, who is pulling the trigger?